Hi everyone, my name is Pino Mastroianni. I'm in Essex, Ontario, and I'm a member of EV Society Windsor-Essex chapter. I'll be talking about my 2012 Chevy Volt and what I like about driving electric vehicles and the Volt in particular. We also do drive a 2017 Pacifica plug-in hybrid as well. Let's go take a look at the Chevy Volt. So one thing I like about electric vehicles, what you'll hear in common is basically the smooth acceleration and the high torque from a standstill or at any RPM for that matter. So every single time you accelerate, you get the same constant acceleration. There's no hesitation, there's no downshifting, there's no being in the wrong gear. I also like features such as preheating your car in the winter or pre-cooling your car in the summer while it's in an enclosed garage. There's no engine that's going to run while running the air conditioning or the heating, and it's just a kind of a luxury feature that's nice to have. By looking at the instrument panel, you can see what the car is doing. One of the things that make an electric car efficient, so efficient, is when you're braking, you're recovering that energy with the regen brake. So your electric motors are slowing you down while charging the battery at the same time, instead of using your brake pads. You can adjust different driving modes and regeneration modes to suit your needs, such as if you were doing a lot of city driving and lots of stop and go traffic, you can put it in heavier regen mode. In the Chevy Volt, you put it in low. It's an artificial low. When you let go of the accelerator, it slows the car down for you. There's less of a need to go from acceleration pedal to the brake pedal, which gives you a more ergonomic way of driving, less fatigue in the long run. I do like its handling. The battery is given it a low center of gravity and even a more consistent or evenly distributed weight between the front and the back axles. Basically handles with more confidence and just makes it feel like a more premium car. Plugging in, it's quite simple. The cord's where it's at for convenience. When you plug it in, it's easier than a cell phone. You're not looking for cords, and the light tells you what it's doing. In this case here, it's ready to charge. So just to give you a visual and reassurance that the gasoline engine in most plug-in hybrids don't get much use, therefore you're driving mostly on electric, I got to show you the air filter in this car, which is original from 2012. Still very clean after 8 years of use. Thank everyone for watching. I encourage you to take an electric vehicle for a test drive if you haven't already.